What's up YouTube, it's Beer and Food here. In today's video I'm testing out the Quest 34020 cooking some Thai wings. I'm also doing a side-by-side comparison by using the Ninja Foodi 9-in-1. So I threaded 2 wings per skewer and managed to get, well, let's not even manage to get, I put 8 on there and then I reserved 4 to put in the food because the basket for the air fryer side isn't very big because it's a 9-in-1 machine. It's obviously caters to 9 functions, not just an air fryer. It says 185 degrees set at 15 minutes. I actually cooked at 190 for 15 minutes. So I think this is about 30 minutes in. As you can see, the wings are starting to get golden there. Now, one thing I did notice, and if I was to do it again, I would pay attention to 1 or 2 of the wings were not, that one in particular there wasn't flat, wasn't opened up, if you will, so it only cooked the edge of the wing, so it came out quite pale with just 1 cooked strip. But yeah, as you can see here, it's starting to get a nice colour on there. The 4 wings that I put in the Ninja. Yeah, as you can see, you basically with these machines, it's not ideal to sort of pile everything up. I guess more so when you're cooking chicken and whatnot. So as you can see, you can see plenty of air, or gaps where the ventilation, that is able to do its thing. So here's halfway through. As you can see, getting a nice golden colour there. So I ended up doing the wings for 45 minutes in the end. And after about half an hour, I started to baste them using the rest of the sauce, which I've got, that they were marinating in, and that's them at full time. Now, to marinate the ones in the Ninja, just dumped a dollop on, and obviously with these I painted them with a silicone brush as they turn round. Got to be careful not to press them too hard, or else the rotisserie stops. I guess you need to protect the motor. Yeah, they crisped up. Well, not crisped up. They did quite a nice caramelisation, painting them on, and there they are finished. Sorry, yeah, nice. They looked better than the rotisserie in terms of overall colour and consistency, but the rotisserie, the Quest rotisserie chicken was moister and a lot tastier, probably because I basted them more, and you got that real depth and heat from the residual Thai chilies. I chucked a salad together. It was with a peanut sauce, and I used that as a complement to the chicken. I would recommend doing wings on the rotisserie. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.